He declines incredible opportunities because he knows those opportunities are not what he really wants. It would just sidetrack him from his real goals. He smiles while being yelled at because his self-worth is not reliant on other person's approval. He understands why the person is yelling and sees the bigger picture. He sometimes works through the night because he needs to get done what he sets out to get done, no matter what. He takes massive responsibility for himself and honors his own word, especially to himself. He walks away from conversations or movies because he values his time enough to count his losses. He will not waste the time on something he does not enjoy. If he cannot change the situation, he will leave. He does not say "I am sorry" because he knows actions speak louder than words. He apologizes for the situation or the outcome but takes responsibility for his actions. He fixes the cause with acts rather than words. He cries fully whenever he needs to because he is not bothering with the appearances. He allows his emotion full reign because they are part of him and nothing to hide. He is the first to volunteer for the uncomfortable task because he knows that the uncomfortable tasks are where the real progress lies. He is willing to do what others won't. He gets help and accepts it as soon as he might think he needs it because his goal goes above pride. If he has to be embarrassed, ask for help, or even beg to reach his goal, he will because it matters more than everything else. He knows why he does what he does because he knows creating a calling for oneself makes him valuable beyond any outside circumstances. He acts for a bigger picture.